Welcome. Today I will teach you how to create a YouTube channel and verify it. So first you need a Gmail account. You can create a Gmail account, or you can use your user Gmail account, and that Gmail account should be logged in your mobile phone. Then you can easily verify your YouTube channel. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser. Log in with Gmail account to browser. And go to youtube.com. You can see that Gmail account automatically logged in.
Yeah, boy.
Then click the Gmail profile icon. And click on Create a Channel. In here you can enter your YouTube channel name. This is name displayed in YouTube channel. I will use this channel name. And click Create Channel. And you will direct to your channel.
Nice.
Then click Customize Channel. And you will direct to YouTube Studio. And you can see there is more settings. Don't worry, if you want to know all these settings, leave a comment. I will explain in another video. So you can see branding options to upload your profile picture and channel banner. I will show you how to design logo and channel banner in next video. Then you click on Settings. And click on Channel. And click on Advanced option. In this option, it asks about your YouTube videos belongs to kids or not. So if you are making videos for kids, choose yes. If not, choose no. So my videos not belongs to kids, so I choose no. And click on Feature Eligibility. There is two verifications need to be verified. Intermediate feature and advanced feature. To activate intermediate feature, you need to verify your phone number. So please use a stable number because you need that number for future. And click Verify phone number. And select your country here. Then enter your phone number. And click on Get Code. And you will get a verification code for that number.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? No more.
And enter that verification code. And click Submit. You can see that intermediate feature was enabled. To activate advanced feature, there is 3 options to verify. You need to verify only one of these 3 options. So I recommend to choose first or second option, that will take only 1 day to verify. Third option might take up to 2 months. First option is to verify your face, similar to like setting face lock to your mobile phone. And second option is verifying your national ID card, or driving license, or your passport by uploading that photo. Make sure that your Gmail account should be logged into your mobile phone. Because when verifying the advanced feature, you will get an email message to that Gmail. So you can easily upload your ID photo or face recognize video, so I am using first option. And click Next. Then click on Get Email. And click on Done.
Yeah, boy.
And finally click Save. Then check your phone, you will get an email message like this. So click on Start Verification. After the verification you will get an email like this. After few hours later advanced feature was enabled. I hope that you understand the process. Thanks for watching.